Hi everyone. So today we will be discussing coordination chemistry, bonding and coordination chemistry, and these questions are asked in previous Neet exam. So let's start. First question: among the following, which is not pi bonded organometallic compound? Pi bonded. It is not pi bonded organometallic compound. So it means the ligand should be saturated here. Ligands should be saturated. It should not be unsaturated. Now C2H4 is alkene. It is also C5H5, same ratio of carbon and hydrogen. So it is unsaturated. It contains carbon double bond carbon. It is also is having carbon double bond carbon. So all these options cannot be correct. So it is option number D. Which of the following OMC is sigma and pi bonded? Both. So it is the property of carbon monoxide carbonyl group which is bonded to metal through both the bonds sigma and pi. So that's why the compound where we have CO as ligand is the correct option. Shape of FeCO5 is, because here ligand is, number of ligand is equal to 5. So for 5 we have TBP, trigonal bipyramidal, trigonal and then bipyramidal. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Square planar means 4, square pyramidal means it is square 4 plus 1 5, and then we have octahedral means 8, trigonal tri by 3 plus 2. So option number A and B cannot be the answer. So it is option number D and C and D, and correct option is option number C. Next is in metal carbonyl having general formula MCOX. M is metal, X is 4, here X is 4, and the metal is bonded to. Whenever we have carbonyl complex, these are organometallic compound where metal is bonded to carbon. So option number D is correct option. Next question is, which is having longest CO bond length? Longest CO means where back bonding is effective, because the bond is formed in this way. First there is formation of carbon metal sigma bond, and then there can be resonance. Okay, so there is formation of, actually these electrons are being donated from metal d electron present in metal d orbital. So these will shift here and simultaneously this will shift here. Actually these electrons are given donated to the pi star, that is antibonding molecular orbital. So will tend to decrease the bond order. Initially bond order of CO was 3. If you are increasing non-bonded electrons, that will tend to increase, that will tend to decrease bond order, as bond order is equal to number of electron in anti-bonding, sorry it is anti-bonding, bonding minus anti-bonding by 2. If you are increasing, it was previously it was 6, let it be 6 minus 0 by 2, so it was 3. If you are adding 2 electron here, that will decrease your bond order by 6 minus 2 by 2, that is 2. So 1 pi bond will be reduced. So we know that bond length and bond order has inverse relation. So carbon triple bond carbon, it is shorter than carbon double bond. So it depends on tendency of this metal to back donate the electron. So more the metal is electron rich, good, it will act as good donor and back bonding will be effective. It should be electron rich. So out of these four options, first option manganese and CO, it is a neutral complex, no charge, neutral, 0 charge. It is negative complex, negative electron density is more, whereas all these are neutral complexes. So in C option, this vanadium is having more electron density, it has -1 here, so it will act as good donor and CO bond length will be maximum here. So strongest, it has been asked these which have strongest CO bond, means longest CO bond, strongest CO bond. So strongest CO bond will be in case where back bonding is not that much effective. Back bonding is not that effective. So in which case we will be getting the CO bond? It is actually in case of first A option. Here this manganese is acquiring positive charge. This complex is having positive charge. Manganese is electron deficient, so it will not donate electron. Back bonding is 0. Number of pi bonds formed between metal and carbon will be equal to 0. As a result, it will have pure triple bond between carbon and oxygen. But in other cases, they have some extent of back bonding, so CO bond length will increase. So in this case, we have been asked about the longest CO bond. So longest CO bond will be in electron rich complex. Here it is 2 minus, just focus on the charge. It is 0 and it is positive, it cannot be the option, and it is minus. So maximum electron density is complex A. So A option is correct. Which of the following does not have metal carbon bond? So here the linkage of aluminium is with ethoxide, oxygen, not with carbon. So option number A is correct. In remaining option, platinum, here platinum is directly bonded to carbon. Here this magnesium metal is directly bonded to carbon, ethyl group CH2, and nickel is bonded directly to the 4 carbonyl group in tetrahedral fashion. So it is also having direct metal carbon bond. So option number A is correct. Now next question is iron carbonyl is, it is tetranuclear, mononuclear, di, trinuclear. Nuclear means number of metal atom present. Here number of metal present is equal to 1, so it is mononuclear. It is mononuclear. So option number B is correct. An example of sigma bonded organometallic compound is, sigma bonded means covalent compound. So covalent compound is obtained only in case of Grignard reagent. The correct option is Grignard reagent, because in ferrocene we have iron carbon bond. Here cobaltocene means cobalt and carbon bond. Ruthenium means ruthenium and carbon bond. Okay, so correct option is option number A. That's all for the day. Thank you.